Pas dans la salle. Center for Inquiry.
Thank you. This is another statement on Iran. Article 23 of the Iranian Constitution states that the investigation of individuals' beliefs is forbidden, and no one may be molested or taken to task simply for holding a certain belief. Yet the founder of the Islamic Republic, Ayatollah Khomeini, had ruled that the penalty for conversion from Islam or apostasy is death. As Article 167 of the Constitution gives a judge the discretion to deliver his judgment on the basis of authoritative Islamic sources and authentic fatwa, anyone who is known or thought to be a non-believer is at risk of being sentenced despite of Article 23 guaranteeing freedom of belief. Changing one's religious conviction is a human right. This includes taking an atheist worldview. No one's life should be in danger merely because of their personal understanding of the world. Representatives of Iran, in the report on Saudi Arabia, your country rightly showed deep concern about the gross human violations committed by Saudi Arabia. Please show the same concern for the inhabitants of your own country and ascertain that no one is prosecuted for their belief or non-belief in specific deities. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. CSW, together with the World Evangelical Alliance and 8 other organisations with consultative status, wish to take this opportunity to highlight the fact that the situation for freedom of religion or belief continues to receive insufficient attention during UPR cycles. While we welcome UPR Info statistics which show that 78 states have so far raised the right to FORB during the 3rd cycle, we call on Member States to ensure that recommendations given are smart, specific and measurable and time-bound enough to enable assessment of implementation over a 4.5-year reporting period. While it would not be expected that recommendations relating to FORB would be made for every country, the WEA estimates that smart recommendations relating to FORB only account for 1.6% of all recommendations made to 47 states of particular concern where violations of and restrictions to FORB persist. For example, despite evidence of continuing violations, during the last UPR cycle, Cuba only received 4 recommendations pertaining to FORB, none of which were meaningful or specific. Somalia, Yemen, Turkmenistan, Libya and Belarus received either 1 or no meaningful FORB recommendations. We call on Member States to pay greater attention to the situation of FORB around the world and to ensure recommendations are formulated to adequately address violations. We also may remain concerned that states fail to implement accepted recommendations. We urge Member States to ensure the UPR process is not undermined by states that accept recommendations only to defer implementation indefinitely. Accountability is key to ensuring the process retains its integrity. Thank you.